Hey guys, welcome back to another video. So this video is going to be an unboxing video of the Vidiem Vision mixer grinder. I ordered this off of Amazon. The description said that this was the company that was manufacturing mixer grinders for Preeti. And although Preeti mixer grinders were also available on Amazon, they were only giving you a 1-year warranty, whereas Vidiem, I hope I'm pronouncing the name right, was giving you a 2-year warranty on the motor. So this is the box that it came in from Amazon. Looks like it was manufactured in Tamil Nadu, India. So it's a box within the box. Right there you have box. Looks like it was manufactured in March 2023. Not too bad. It says 1 year, but the description inside did say 2 years on the motor. So I took it out of the other box. That's how it looks. This is a 650 watt one though, slightly powerful than the traditional Preeti Blue Leaf that you get, which is 550 watts. The more wattage, the more powerful the motor. This comes with 3 jars. Small jar, big jar, medium jar. There's a 1.5 liter master jar, 0.75 liter multi jar, 0.4 liter multi jar. These are the lids, warranty card. Let's open this one up. Seems to be packed pretty decently. Let's get this open. I want to make sure there are no cracks. Maya Appliances. That's the parent company, I believe. So on Amazon, it does say that these guys were manufacturing for Preeti up until 2011, and that's when they decided to go their own way. That's the instruction and warranty card, 110 volts, and their product line of the plastic cover has these suction type rubber feet. It says 110 volts, 650 watts. Have the lid for one of the smaller jars. You have the small jar here, the medium jar. All of these are stainless steel. I think this is the biggest one that comes with this, and the lids that go with it. Check the box. There's nothing else. That's the kind of push it has. Stainless steel jars. That's the lid. Goes with it. So that was the unboxing of Vidiem Vision Blue 650 watt 110 volt mixer grinder. I will do a follow-up video to this where we'll test this one out and see how it performs. Thanks for watching.